students, good morning. How are you all? Yes, I hope you all are fine and safe. Do you all remember, children, in our previous class what can we did? Yes, we will learn about your EVS new lesson, houses. So in that class we will learn about types of houses like a mud house, wood house, boat house, caravan, tent, multi-storied buildings, igloo. So we will discuss about in these types of houses, and I hope you all are understand that lesson and enjoy that lesson. So today we will learn about your EVS new lesson, cleanliness. So today we will learn about your EVS new lesson, cleanliness. So we will discuss about your EVS new lesson number 12, cleanliness. Yes, are you ready, dear children? Yes, shall I start today? Cleanliness is related to our health, and cleanliness of our body and surrounding is very important, and we must take good care of our body and keep all the part of our body clean. So to remain healthy and happy, we must keep our body clean, and unclean our body can make us sick. A healthy mind is in a healthy body. So the different parts of our body help us to perform our daily activities. So already you know about that. There are many parts of our body like ear, eyes, mouth, tongue, head, hair, stomach, knees, arms, shoulder, many parts. Okay, in our body, has many parts. So that parts help us to ear is help us to hear the sound, and his eyes is help us to see the pictures and images, and tongue is help us to find out the taste, and nose is help us to find out the fragrance, smell. So many parts of our body help us to perform our daily activities. To stay healthy and fit, it is important to keep our body clean. Yes, do you know about, children, why we keep our body clean? Yes, we keep our body clean. It's help us to stay healthy and fit. So you can keep your body clean by following these healthy habits. Given us some healthy habits in your EVS book. So every day you can keep your body clean. On that time you following these healthy habits. Okay, let us see one by one. First one. So can you hear this picture, dear children? Yes, see this. So what is this? The boy is brushing his teeth. Okay, brush your teeth every morning before having breakfast. In the early morning, we get up in the early morning, brush your teeth before having breakfast, and in the night before going to bed. Okay, it's help us to keep our teeth clean and healthy. So every day we get up in the early morning, brush your teeth. First you take a brush and brush your teeth before having breakfast, and in the night before going to bed. Understand? Can you understand, dear children? Yes. Next, can you hear this picture, dear children? Yes. See here. So the boy is bathing. Take a bath every day with soap and water. So first get up in the early morning, you take a brush and brush your teeth. After that you should take a bath every day with a soap and water. So it helps us to keep our body clean and healthy. Next, what is this? Can you hear this picture, dear children? Yes, the boy wipe himself dry. Wipe yourself dry with a clean towel. So when you should take a bath, and after that wipe, take a dry with a clean take a clean towel and wipe yourself dry. Okay, every day you take a clean towel and wipe yourself dry. So we must follow these healthy habits in every day. Next, can you hear this picture, dear children? Yes, the boy is wear the cloth, wear fresh and clean clothes. So in the morning you should take a bath. After that you take a clean towel and wipe yourself dry. After that you wear the fresh and clean clothes. It helps us to keep our body clean. Okay, you wear the dirty clothes, you cannot keep our body clean. Okay, so you every day you wear the fresh and clean clothes. And next, can you hear this picture, dear children? Yes, see here. Comb your hair neatly. Cover your mouth with a handkerchief while sneezing or coughing. So every day you wear a fresh and clean clothes. After that, comb your hair neatly. Take a comb and comb your hair neatly. After that, cover your mouth. Okay, cover your mouth with a handkerchief or a pocket kerchief while sneezing or coughing. When you sneezing or coughing, on that time you take a handkerchief or a pocket kerchief, cover your mouth. Take a handkerchief and cover your mouth. So this is a healthy habit and also good manners. Next, can you hear this picture, dear children? Yes, use a clean handkerchief to blow your nose. Okay, when you blow your nose, on that time you use a clean handkerchief. So this is also healthy habit. So every day you must you can keep your body clean and by following these healthy habits. Get up in the early morning, you take a brush and brush your teeth before having breakfast. In the night, before going to bed, and you should take a bath every day with a soap and water. After that you take a clean towel and dry wipe yourself, and after that every day you wear a fresh and clean clothes. You wear a dirty clothes, it helps us to not keep our body clean. Okay, so and after that comb your hair neatly, and when you sneezing or coughing, on that time you take a handkerchief, cover your mouth. Okay, next use a clean handkerchief to blow your nose. So today we will discuss about cleanliness. So there are many parts of our body. It helps us to perform our daily activities like brushing, bathing, wipe ourselves, wear our dresses and comb our hairs, and clean our nose, clean our face. Okay, so it's help us to daily activities, and we will learn about healthy habits. We can keep our body clean by following these healthy habits. Okay, in the next part we will discuss about in the next class. Yes, thank you.